so much splendor. Praise you, God, like what shall I render? Who is like you? There's no contender. I give you my all, to you I surrender. No words that are fitting to describe you. Searched all around and there's really none like you. How am I supposed to describe the creator of the universe in a 16-bar verse? Like where do I start with the one who begins and ends? The one who life itself depends. Let me try here. Look. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I say praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Much less, my God, nobody can contest your greatness. You're the greatest. As good as you are so loving and kind. I sing praises to you most high. I am that I am, I glorify. I praise you forever and ever and ever and ever. My God of the universe, so loving, you put me first, you put me first. All I see is you.
I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
The creator.
Thinking about love. Where everything's right, no wrongs. Thinking about how you care for me. You laid down your life, a perfect sacrifice for me, yeah. What would I do without your love? There is no me without your love. The way you love me so tenderly, yeah. You love me, nothing above you. There is no one like you, yeah. For all that you are, I give you all the praise. To you my hands I raise. I worship you always. Cause you carry me like a baby. Showers of blessings. Every beautiful morning. See your goodness and mercy. You keep on loving me. All I see is your mercy. There is no one like you. I love you. You love me so. So, my Lord, you love me so. I love you so, I'm never letting you go. Nothing can separate me now. Nothing can separate me from you. Nothing can separate me from you. I could go on now. I could go on till the trumpet sounds, but I could jelly, oh yeah, jelly, oh yeah, jelly, you love me so, jelly, carry me, oh yeah, you love me so, love me, oh yeah, you love me, now that you're sorry, no they do me corny, oh your love, no they do me, your love is for me, nothing else I need, your love is free me. Walking down the road, I seen a lot of faces, and all that I see is you. Your glory in everything you created, nobody compares to you. Him and her, me and you. He made us wonderful, wonderfully crafted, perfect in him, cause he lives in me. I'm shining bright, cause I'm God kind and I carry Christ. Darkness cannot withstand the light. When I step in, it flees out of sight. That's why I'm a wonder, cause Christ is my maker. Yes, he lives inside. That's why I'm a wonder, cause Christ is my maker. Yes, he lives inside. There is no weapon, I say there is no weapon formed against me in this world or the next that can never prosper. There is no weapon, I say there is no weapon formed against me in this world or the next that can never prosper. That's why everything's sweet, everything nice, it's so nice. Just look at me, everything rationalized. Nothing can stand against me, nah. That's why I'm a wonder, cause Christ is my maker. Yes, he lives inside. That's why I'm a wonder, cause Christ is my maker. Yes, he lives inside. So everything, no weapon from the games, oh no. See me, I'm burning like a new creation, saving souls from every nation. I'm elevating, yeah. One time, let's go, yeah. One time, let's go. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. Oh. Sample to something, yeah. I dey get emotionally, oh. See, I see the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. I dey get emotionally, oh. See, I see the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. I tapa hala munker. Ma dili bread no medula. Try if it's a mito. Breezy leshin de mama. Tapa hala munker. Ma dili bread no medula. Try if it's a mito. Breezy leshin de mama. Look,
I'm back with a new flow. God's grace cover me with a new glow. Every morning his mercies are brand new. Type of love, you know, get to part two. Hey, you to catch me when I fall down. You will never walk past when the man down. You left the 99 for the lost one. Amazing grace left me dumbfound. Hey, this is a story of a blessed child. Started from the bottom, but we here now. They don't understand why I love you. Look where I've been and where I'm at now. No darling, no darling. See the things where you do from. No be saying I me fine past. See the way you love me. I don't get emotionally, oh. See, I see the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. I don't get emotionally, oh. See, I see the ginger me.
Yo, chat, what's up, chat? How you guys doing, man? Good day, good morning, chat. What's up?
Toi efface-moi, briser la chaîne de maman. Ta parole mon cœur m'a délivré de ma douleur. Toi efface-moi, briser la chaîne de maman.
You they blow my mind, sweet me know my mind. Now you they give me life, make everything so nice. Not by power, not by might, by your spirit in my life. I keep winning all the time, cause I got you by my side. Not by power, not by might, by your spirit in my life. I keep winning all the time, cause I got you by my side. No darling, no darling. See the things where you do for me. No be saying I me fine past. See the way you love me.
I don't get emotionally, oh. See, I see the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. I don't get emotionally, oh. See, I see the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. Ta parole mon cœur m'a délivré de ma douleur. Toi efface mes torts, briser la chaîne de maman. Ta parole mon cœur m'a délivré de ma douleur. Toi efface mes torts, briser la chaîne de maman.
Alright, chat, how you guys doing, man? What's up? Welcome to a brand new day here, gang. What's up? What's up?
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shop so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion?
Alright, chat. How you guys doing, man? What's up? Welcome to the live stream here right now. We're moving and we're grooving, chat, and on the chart here. The gold is melting. Nice. We move 932 pips. So we expect a move today. We're gonna expect a lot of movement today, chat. Post what they call that? Post news yesterday night. Thursday, yeah. So what's up, Jai? You guys doing, man? Shout out to the people right now watching, 22 viewers. What's up? What's up, everyone? How you guys doing? So far, so good. Yeah, sometimes far from good. Yeah, man. You're. I mean, you know. I mean, I know that you're making a lot of money right now. Making dollar day. Making. You guys ready for the top down analysis? Type ready in the chat if you guys ready, man. And if you're having a good day, drop some emojis, whatever you want. Fire or what? All right, let's start with the monthly time frame here. So monthly time frame here, as you can see here, guys. So we're reacting on this zone, right? So what this zone is? We're acting 3, 4, 3, 6 area, right? The monthly time frame is reacting after creating a bottom wick, right? Creating bottom wick, we have some wick fill already, but didn't push through because this is all time high already, right? So probably the bank doesn't want to push. The price action need to create more structure to the downside. So yeah, because yesterday we talked about the price action, right? We talked about the higher time frame. We talked about the weekly time frame, how this is gonna go, and the 4 hour too. And yeah, I believe that my top down analysis yesterday is um take this opportunity, but this is late candles, 4 hour late candles dropping down. All right. So weekly time frame, we still have 1 day and 14 hours for this candle to close. Um Unemployment tonight, tomorrow, no news. So probably this candle will close like this, respecting here, right? Probably this candle close respecting, right? But still bullish. It will respect, and then the next candle, the next week candle, we gonna anticipate that the next candle will create a bottom wick topping here in the support before driving up here, right? I'm gonna expect this on the next week, but if this is not happen, it will push down. It's good, all right? It's good for us because I'm bearish for the day. Yesterday, I told you guys that I'm bearish too. The candle closed bearish. Interesting, right? The candle closed bearish. This one. And the current candle tapped the resistance. Now it flipped. Moved 932 pips. Nice. We'll drop down now to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame yesterday, as you can see, we got some consolidation in the 4 hour time frame here, right? And we have close heavy bearish, but no bottom wick here. That's why it's starting to react. But in the morning, you push up, right? Fake out candle. Now it's trying to drive down now, right? Because there's no structure here, chat, as you can see here. Now we have resistance here. This is your support. There is no structure creating here, right? No structure here. So probably if this price wanna head up, right, towards to the upside, you need to see structure creating here. You need to see some candle stopping in this zone first, right, before driving up further, right? Because enable for you to push up in the price action, you need to see some liquidity levels stopping the support before driving up towards to the upside, right? And yeah, we anticipate that today. 58 minutes for this 4 hour to close. I believe this will close bearish. Now resistance here, support close below the range. We're anticipating that the next candle will pop down further. But let's see, right? Because gold is a dog, Gold is a dog. Anything can happen. Anything can react here and push off further up, right? So yeah, we're gonna be safe in this zone because we're heading to the downside now. We dropped to the 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour time frame, as you can see, retracing now. How many candles? One, two, three, four, five candles are pushing down. If we're gonna look to the 30 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles are pushing towards to the downside. Crazy, right? So basically, this is the move on the Asian session. Crazy volume. Right now we're in the London. I don't know what if the London will push up, right, or no, or continue down, right? Probably for me, um, I'm bearish for the day. We're gonna look. I'm just gonna look for sells. If we got some bearish trend here, we need the pullbacks. Now we need some structure to form. We need some candles forming. Right now I cannot take sell because I have minor support level here. We cannot take this sell. So probably we're gonna wait for some structure close below the range. Enable for you to retest the low. Right? We're gonna look for that. But yeah. It's Thursday today. I know you guys are having a good week. W week, right? So yeah. Let's put the levels on here. So if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. This looks good for buys too. For me, this looks good for buys because we have clean range here, right? But this will take time, chat. We need volume here. Enable for you to push up. This is the retracement already, right? 200 pip retracement. See that? This is the retracement, 200 pip, and yeah, we need volume to push up further up to retest some resistance in here at the top. 3375, 3374. But right now, we're gonna look for the current structure. We're creating structure here. So, chat, if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. Shout out to 30 viewers right now. Big news conference tomorrow morning. With president of big and unexpected. A sudden surge in the Taiwan dollar could be just days of disorder refreshing. Investors have valid reasons to President the Bank of President Trump, the trade announcement behind this Thursday, yet a sign of some possible relief from his time. Big news conference tomorrow, 10 a.m. Okay. Big news. Chat, if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. Crazy, crazy, crazy drop. Bullish closure on the 1 hour. Can you explain the basis for those horizontal? It's levels, bro. I'm just putting the levels. This is my levels. For marking up support and resistance. So this is your resistance. This is my support. This for levels. No buenos chat. Shout out to 44 viewers right now. What's up? What's up? Welcome to the live stream here. If you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. Overall range, wow, 178. What's up, my brother? What's up, my brother King? What's up? 15 is about to close here. Probably the 30 will close bearish. Man, if the 30 close bearish, nice to pop down. Mm-hmm. 15 close. All right, but the 30 is still open, chat. So I don't want to take an impulse move here because the 30 is still open, right? Anything can happen here after you probably re-break the low, then pops up. So like this, boom. We need to see closure below the range. Once we see that, man, gonna pop down, pop, pop down, popping down. Patience, man, patience here. We need to see patience, patience. Shout out to 46 viewers. Chat, make sure you like the stream. By the way, man, like the stream and subs to the channel. Like the stream, subs to the channel. Follow me on IG. Link is in the description below. Chat, like the stream, man. Right, man. Popping up. 50 pips. Wow. The candles are big. 50 pips. Crazy. Crazy, crazy volume. All right, pushing up here. Pushing up here, chat. Pushing up. 1 hour bottom wick. Probably we're gonna wait here for the 4 hour close. Anything close below, man, it's good. Any closure below, sure. It's good for selling down. Yeah. So let's wait, Chow. Let's wait. Give me a second here. What we looking today for sell? Yeah, we're gonna look for sell, but I wanna see close below the range. Once you see close below, that's the trade. We're gonna wait here, my brother. It's good for buying up still. Still have range. But I don't wanna take buys here. Stop's gonna be wide here. 6 to 7 pip. Yeah. Shout out to 51 viewers. What's up, everyone? How you guys doing? Make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel. 30 minutes close. 30 minutes close. The body is small. Wow, driving down. One more 15 close. If the 15 close, bearish. Let's see. Good on, Coach. How are you? I'm doing great, my friend. I'm doing great, my brother. How are you? How are you? How are you, bro? How are you? How are you? Hmm. 11 minutes. We're heading down. No top wick. Okay. Mm. I've seen these a lot before, chat. I've seen this a lot before. I've seen these. Late candle. Late candle, huh? All right, flip. Flip, flip. Now, can you close below? Can you close below, sure? Chat, if you have any questions, feel free to ask questions. You can drop in the chat. It's good range, man, for buys. We need close above. We need more price action. We need volume. volume, price action, market structure. Coach, the sudden rap in gold is because, yep, that's post news, right? We're not, they're not, you know, where is that consolidating? This is the consolidation, chat, right? This is the consolidation, right? We're stuck here in this range, and then the price starting to break, right? But it's not. When the, what they call this, Jerome Powell speaking, the price heading down. Now Asian session, China is pushing up the price. Then suddenly boom. Post news, right? Because we need more, we need more price action in the higher time frame. As you can see, the 4-hour time frame, we need to see liquidity grabs in the zone, enable for you to push up further, right? You need to top here to push up. But the question here, once you top here, will you be create some structure to push down further down to retest some support level here? Because there's no structure here yet, chat. No grabbing orders here. You need you need to grab orders, enable for you to push up furthermore, right? As you can see, this one too, right? But this one need a lot of time. But once you close below here, and then you create some structure here, right? Dang, dang, dang. Then push down. Now you are going to the second range. Now you create structure. Now of course you're gonna create some structure towards to here. Now you're creating structure here again. Then once you see some reactions, movement of bearish, now you're gonna push down. Now you're gonna go in the back in the range. Now after you go back in the range, you break out. Once you break out, now you push down further down here. This is gonna be the decision zone once again to push up furthermore. All right. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do the top-down analysis yesterday. Where was that? We're gonna watch the yesterday live stream. 30 minutes. Creating structure, rejecting on the minor support level. Happen now is pushing up towards to the upside, and right? So you anticipate that there is some reaction on 3, 4. Now you're creating a structure here. Always a reaction there because this is the resistance. Watch it, Cha. Watch it. Resistance in the lower time frame too. So we have some gap here on the daily time frame. We moved 732 pips already in the day. We still have 13 hours and 6 minutes left for this candle to close, right? So we move down. All right, this is good because we're going to have a structure. We always talk about the 4-hour time frame, guys. We see the breakout here in the past, like in the last week we see the breakout, right? But what will happen after the breakout here is you push towards to the downside, but now you're creating a structure here. This is good, right? Because enable for you to push up further, you need to see some structure towards to the downside before driving up further, right? To grab the liquidity, to grab some orders down here. If you don't grabbing orders here, popping down, that's the fundamentals. The price is moving by the fundamentals with no price action. Man, if there's no price action, one candle will break down. If there is no price action here, one candle will pop down here. You will see that coming. So yeah, you see that candle pop down. 4-hour candle pop down. Does it make sense? Makes sense, yeah. You guys learning today? You guys learning every single day? Make sure you guys are learning every single live stream that you watch. how I'm doing the top down analysis, why I'm saying that you need to grab orders down here, because it's necessary, chat. Right? It's necessary to grab orders here. You cannot go up to push up further up to the all-time high without any grabbing orders to the downside, man. Here, this is the liquidity zone. You need to tap the demand zone first. You need to tap here, creating some structure towards the downside before pushing up. If not making today, probably tomorrow or the next day. Because the late candle is happening all the time, so you cannot control that. We're here to adapt, adapt. Adapt, chat. And make sure you follow your playbook. If you have playbook, you follow that. Make sure you follow your plan. That's really important in trading, man. If you don't follow anything, you're gonna be clapped. No volume. Will close bullish. Yeah, this is good for impulse shenanigans. Yeah, probably late candle. Late candle. Late candle. See this 15. 45 minutes, they're printing now. The 45 minutes candle are printing. Thirty seconds for the close. If 30 is still open here. Late candle probably. No buenos. No bueno, no bueno. Waiting, waiting. Waiting, cha. We need to be patient here. More patience, cha. More patience. Patience, patience. No volume, man. Printing, printing. Probably gonna print today. Ay, man. London session. What happened to you? Why no volume today? Because of bank, this GBP shenanigans. 3 3:02 p.m. Interesting. This rate on GBP. All right, GBP GPY pushing up 24 pips. Impulse. Boom. What's this? 200 pips. Wow, BTC is 99 now. 99K. Wow. Wow, crazy. New all-time high here. Nasdaq back in the 20K. US 30 back in the 41K. Man. Chat, make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel. Can I see 30 likes, chat? We are 49 viewers right now. Like the stream and subs to the channel. Let's go. Four hours about to close. One hour is about to close too. Late candle. Late candle. All right, man. Here we go again. The last 15 minutes candle. In the 1 hour. Late candle.
Sega 2.
4 minutes. $40 here. Impulse shenanigans. Ciao. Be ready for the impulse trade here, all right? Be ready here. Once you re-break the lows here, probably gonna take some potentials. So be prepared, chat. Will employment claims news later have impact? Yep. There is some impact. What happened to you, Goldie? Challenge your re-break the previous candle low on the 30. I probably gonna enter a sell, alright? So pay attention, chat. Pay attention, man. That's the 1 hour re-break the lows. 1 hour re-break. That's the 4 hour open. Re-breaking the high of the 15. Consolidating, chat, man. Cannot do anything here. Probably the volume will come NY. No buenos, no buenos. No buenos keys. No buenos keys. Enemy session plus news, no Yep. Re-break the high. Okay. Can you break the high? Chat, you know what I'm gonna do here, chat. Chat, you know what I'm gonna do here? I'm gonna get some cells here, chat. I'm gonna get some cells. I always see this re-break and popping down. Taking sell right now. Full TP below here. Stop loss above the range here. Yeah, that's the stop. Once the candle flip, that's the alright, man. To 20, 13 pips. Nice. Probably gonna close half of the position here, chat. Closing half of the position here. And moving stops to break even. Right? This risk free already. I pick 14 pips. I close up a 14. Probably gonna hold this bis for our top wick. Once you flip, man, that's gold. We're golden. Once this 4-hour flip, we're golden here. But I'm risk free already, chat. Having the trade. 18 pips. Still holding the trade. I'm always seeing this grabbing orders at the top, then flip, right? We're bearish for the day. We're pretty bearish for the day in the grabbing orders here, then flip here. You re-break the previous candle low. This always happen. Then push further down here. So I'm gonna anticipate that. Always seeing this on the chart. So I'm gonna look for this. Let's see. Can we push further down here? I'm too slow for this technique. Yeah, it's this all about experience wise in the chart. So I'm always seeing this happen. Like once you see we're bearish for the day, right? We're seeing bearish move. Then suddenly when the candles open up, like the 1 hour, the 4-hour candle, it's trying to drive up here, re-breaking the high. Then after that sudden flip, right? Sudden flip on the price. Like this will happen. So yeah. All right. Break even hit, chat. Break even hit. So I got 14 pips here. Still dubs. Break even hit, gang. Yeah, 14 pips there. That's the trade. If you got the trades, congratulations. 14 pips. Oh. Around this area, I believe. It's 30, yeah. 30-week entries, 1 hour bearish, 4 hours bearish. So fourteen, 14. That's not 20. Oh, 1 hour. 1 hour with onion sell. Gold, London. 1 p.m. right? 1 p.m. Open of the candle 5/8/2025. So yeah, that's the trade. Yeah, that's the trade. Who got the same trade, chat? Drop in the chat. Who got the same trade there? Who got the same trade? Sells plus 14 pips. Yeah, pre-NY. Probably this liquidity grab to push further down. I'm pretty bearish for the day here. Pretty bearish for the day. Quick in and out. Yeah. This is always happening in the chart, man. Grabbing orders here. Now, boom. Meltdown. For our top wick, once you flip, man, you're gonna we still have wick fill here on the price on the 4. Gonna do some wick fills here. Minimum wick fills on the 4 hour. Minimum wick fills. Minimum. Who got the same trade there, chat? Drop some doubles in the chat, man. If you got the trades, man. If you got the sells there, chat, drop W's in the chat. Let's see, let's see. Let me see, chat. Let me see who got the trades there. We got the 14, I believe not 14. We picked 17 pip here. I just closed partial at 14. We pick nice here. We pick, I see 18, 17 pips. 14 close, so nice. Nice, nice. W. Very nice, man. Oh, it will drop now. I hope you guys are learning every single live stream that I did, right? So I hope you guys are learning every single live stream every single day. I hope you guys are learning. I hope you guys are always adapting in the market. And I hope you guys are winning. Chat, can you spam W's in the chat, Mega? I'm gonna make some stories here. Just a quick stories one, please. Drop spam some W's in the chat, man. Spam W, bro. Wow, too many winners once again, huh? Wow, this song is lit, huh? Neo one, we're rising. Nice, nice, nice song. Oh, Yeah, see that? See that flip? $45 pip, man. Oh. Hey. Winners win, gang. W's in the chat. W week. Thursday. If you got the trades there, chat, man, you're a winner, bro. You're a winner. Winner, winner. Winner, winner, chat. Winner, winner. Winner, winner, chat. Win-win, Kuya Bill. Win-win. Flipping. 4 hour flipping. 30 minutes flipping, man. Right. Crazy, bro. Ooh. Seen this a lot in the market. I've seen this too many times. Impulse um impulse trade. This called chat. This called impulse trade on the resistance. Now this the real, this is the real resistance, right? In the lower time frame, 5 minutes time frame, see the resistance. We take sell on the resistance. That's good. Sayang na BE ka. You don't close any partial. Always secure profit, chat. Always take partials there. Always take. You need to take some. You need to take some. Believe me, man. Don't chase the move. Take your piece of pie there and then go out. Call it a day. That's it. You don't need to play with the market. You don't need to compete. You don't need to compete with the market. The market is always here. The market doesn't care about us. So take the profit, bro. If you see the profit, 10, 15 pips, take some partials there. Move the stops to break even. Be happy with the profit. Be um what do you call that? Be contented with the profit. That's it. Because if you're doing that, be contented. After that, you're gonna be consistent. So once you're consistent, you're gonna have a confidence. Confidence take time because you need to have momentum, winning momentum, and then there is some overconfidence too. So you don't need overconfidence. Is somehow is what they call this. Somehow you are in the like ano ba yun? Somehow you are in kalimutan ko ah. Yeah, contentment is your battle. Yes, coach, thanks sa wisdom mo. Yan ang pinapractice ko ngayon kasi lagi ako nadadali ng greed. Yeah, greed. It's all about you versus you. You know, you don't need to. For me, I'm not setting goals for the day. I'm not setting how much I need to make. Right? I'm not setting goals. Yeah. Sometimes I do overtrade too. Right? But I'm gonna show you how much I made in this today. This is just for you guys, right? So this is my profit today. 3,325. Now I can call it a day, right? That's today, man. That's today. FTMO account. Lot size depends. My lot size 1.5 to lot size you need to practice that, because if you haven't seen any $50 in your profit, you're not um you're not gonna make it into $100. So make sure you start with the $5 a day. I start with the $5 profit. I've seen $5 profit, and eventually I see $10 profit, and then 20, 50, 70, 100, 150, $200, 500, and then $1,000. It's all about practice. It's all about you. You need to practice that. You're not it's not easy to jump it's not easy to jump into other direction, right? So give me a second shot. So yeah, for me, don't compare yourself into someone chapter 1 and to someone chapter 10 already. It's all about practice. It's all about charting time. If you're beginner, make sure you chart at least 2 to 4 hours a day. A 5K funded account back, coach, and how much, and do you recommend? Yeah, there is in Alpha Capital, brother. There is some. You can message me, bro. I can share with you the code for Alpha Capital. I believe there is 10K for $40 only. Yeah, there's discount. Yeah, you can share it here with Riz. I forgot the code. So you can make $40 only, bro. For 10K, you can practice there. Funded. Yeah. Yeah, you can VM my IG. Yeah, that's the one, I believe. Yeah, 10K for 40. Create create account in Alpha Capital, and then yeah. Man, yeah, it's pumping down now. Right, chat. If we hold this, Very nice. Will pump there. 3329 minimum. For our flip, yeah. 1 hour flip, 30 minutes bearish flip. Cool, but never chase the move. Mary sees a fan go. Yup, there is. So technically the one, but the 10,000 is you just need um the maximum drawdown is 1K and the daily drawdown is $500 a day. But that's good for $40, but you need to pass the event, you need to pass the challenge. For the phase 1 is 1K, for the phase 2 is 500. Yeah, that's good for, practice. After you pass the challenge, go what's next? They're gonna give you the account. It's a demo account, but if you make a profit split there, you're gonna receive the profit. So yeah, you can read the restriction there, bro. You can read that in Alpha Capital. You can search about how to pass the funded and all. Yeah. No problem. Chai, you have more questions? 71 pip drop. Nice. 71 pip. Um, all right, chat. My timer is up. Gonna see you guys tomorrow, right? So if you're gonna trade later tonight on the NY, make sure you have stop loss and lower your risk there, chat. If you got W for the week already, right? So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, man. Love and wisdom to you all, chat. See you guys. I'm out here. W's all the way out, chat. W's in the chat. Peace,
Yes, I
peace,
did.
peace.
So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe and I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Did you